Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a webcam on your PC using OBS. So I'm using my Google Pixel right now. This is very easy to do. Let's go on over to my computer and I want to go to google.com and just type in DroidCam. So you can see right here, DroidCam. Let's go to the first link, droidcam.com by Dev47Apps official. So we can click on this. And we want to do two things. We want to get the app on our phone, just go to the Google Play Store and get DroidCam app. And then we want to download it on our PC. So how it works, get the app on your phone, install it on your computer, and link the phone app to OBS. So we can just go to the setup now for Windows. So we can see Windows or Linux. So let's go to the Windows setup. And I'm just going to download this right away. Okay, and just make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network too. So let's do this now, and then we can get it and open this up. And then we can just start this up. So go to yes when the permission pops up, and we can just close this down. So I have the application now on my computer, and this is says I already have the current version installed. So I can just go to yes for update, and then I can go through I agree. I'll just do it one more time. Now you also have to get the app on your phone. So if you just go to the Google Play Store and type in DroidCam, you should be able to get it. So I'll show you what this looks like. It's very easy to do. So, okay, this is done. So it should pop up. If it's not, I'm just going to go to search and type in DroidCam app. And then this should pop up at some point. It might be minimized too, so I can make this bigger. Now go to the Google Play Store on your phone and get this application. So if I go over to my webcam, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, type in DroidCam, and then open this app up. And you can see all these numbers right here. That's fine. Just make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it's not going to be able to detect it. So just go to the Wi-Fi button, and you should be able to get this. And it already automatically connected my phone, my Google Pixel. So I could try removing this. Let's see if I can remove it. And I'll just reconnect another one. So it's going to say add a device here. And I'm just going to wait for it. So open up the application on your phone, and then you should be able to see it. So let's refresh it. And then it might not work since I went ahead and just removed it right now. And it might take a few times. Otherwise, you're going to have to directly enter in what's listed on your phone. So you'll see like Wi-Fi IP, DroidCam port, and you might have to enter in the Wi-Fi IP right now, and then the DroidCam port if it doesn't work. So sometimes if you remove it and then add it too quick. So let me just type mine in real quick, 168.1.28. Go to OK. And then it should connect. So you can see it's connected now. I got everything up on my computer. There's OBS. Now to get this into OBS, let's go to OBS down here and just open it up. So I got two different OBSs opened. So I'm just going to close DroidCam and open up the other one here, wherever I got it. So I can see it right here. Going down to the add sources. Let's go to a video capture device. Okay, go to that. And then just switch it over to the DroidCam. So I went to window capture. So just make sure you do video capture device, not window capture. Let me do it one more time here. So let's go to video capture device. Okay. And then we should have the option for DroidCam. Okay. There it is. And you can move this around. You can see I'm typing and stuff. You can make it a little bit bigger too if you want. Right click on it and you can stretch it or fit it to your screen. So let's just go to stretch a screen, fit to screen. There we go. And then you can just plug it in with a USB cable. And then you should be good to go. You can use this as a webcam.